tell you who we've got here tonight. We have got live on stage the winner of the Citybeat Young Star Search. We have got our 4 homegrown Olympic medal winners. We have got Mr. Stuart. And we've also got the X Factor finalists from last year. Same difference. Now, we also invited Iris Robinson down here tonight. When she heard that we were going to put a fairy on top of the Christmas tree, she wasn't happy, so I don't think she's going to turn up. Anyway, let's get this show on the road. Ladies and gentlemen, can you please put your hands together for the guys who have done us so proud of the Olympics? Put your hands